In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Grok AI on the official website. If you want a fast, reliable way to get answers, brainstorm ideas, or draft content, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to start and keep a smooth conversation going from your browser. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. Chrome, Safari, Firefox, or Edge all work great. In the address bar, go to the official Grok AI website. Take a quick moment to confirm you're on the correct site by checking that the URL looks right and that your connection is secure. This helps you avoid lookalike pages and ensures your data stays safe. Once the official website loads, you'll see the chat interface front and center. It usually includes a large input box along the bottom, a send button, and space above for the conversation history. If for any reason the page doesn't render on the first try, a quick refresh usually fixes it. And to make this even easier, I've placed the official website link at the very top of the description, so you can jump straight there without typing. Next, click inside the input box and type your prompt. This can be a question, a request, or a clear command. To get the best results, be specific and include helpful context. For example, instead of write an email, try write a friendly 3-paragraph email to a colleague summarizing yesterday's meeting and confirming next steps. You can also ask for a format, a tone, or a target audience to guide the response. When you're ready, send your prompt by pressing Enter or clicking the Send button. If you prefer to add a new line without sending, hold Shift and press Enter while you write. Then, submit when you're satisfied. Grok AI will generate a response almost immediately and display it in the chat window. Read through the answer and make sure it addresses what you asked. If it's close but not perfect, don't start over. Just clarify what needs tweaking. You can ask it to shorten, expand, rephrase, or focus on a specific detail. To keep the conversation going, type a follow-up prompt. You can ask a brand new question or build on the current topic. The model remembers context within the conversation, so refining and iterating often produces the best results. And that's it. Open the official website, access the chat, type your prompt, send it, review the response, and continue the discussion. That's how you use Grok AI quickly and easily using the official website. Thanks for watching.